Let me ask you, if you were given a chance to be the president of this country, would you take it? If yes, is it because of the benefits that comes from it, or is because you would want to serve? Most of us will stick to the former. Today, we are only 2.8 kilometers from the State House, and we are in the heart of Kilimani, and what I want to show you is something very, very nice. Kilimani as a locality is huge, and it borders Hurlingham and Milimani on one side, and Kileleshwa and Lavington on the other side. Due to its size and height, Kilimani comes with a lot of advantages and some disadvantages. People will tell you that Kilimani is the best place to stay in Nairobi, while a few others can tell you buying in Kilimani is the worst decision that you'll ever make in life. The reason is why Kilimani has several sections. So if you want to invest, you need to know which section is the best for your investment, and that's why you require to talk to us, African Real Estate. Every time we do this type of videos, we get this funny comment. Mungai Kehara, unapendanga kutuonyesha apartments za Kilimani na hazinanga hata views. No, that's wrong. It depends with where you want to invest in. Just look at this. This development is overlooking a very nice area. On that side, you have a hotel. The other areas have already been built, so this view may not be blocked in many years to come. This development is huge because the developer wanted to give a lot of amenities. That's why we only have a total of 119 units of 3, 4, and 5 bedrooms. The 3 bedrooms are starting from 193 square meters, and the prices are starting from 20.8 million Kenya shillings. We have 4 bedrooms like this one. Plinth area is starting from 250 square meters, and the prices are starting from 27.6 million Kenya shillings. And then we have a huge 5-bedroom units, and the prices are starting from 29.6 million Kenya shillings with a plinth area of 284 square meters. For the location details of this project, we are only 3.9 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, only a kilometer from the famous Yaya Center, and only 400 meters from Ngong Road. For the people who have fear of heights, which is acrophobia, we have the first, the second, and the third floors reserved for you. And for the people who want to live next to the heavens, we have reserved the 18th, 19th, and the 20th floors for you. Each unit in this block of apartments gets served by 2 lifts. We also have other amenities like a swimming pool. We will have a gym, a kids play area, ample parking for all the members and their visitors. We will also have steam and sauna. Also, we will have a management office to make sure that everything is running smoothly in these homes. From the main entrance, each unit comes with this huge metallic door, and it will come with a smart lock. And it is giving you an access to the dining area, which is here. You can easily do a 6-seater dining set like this one, or if you have a big family, you can always do a bigger one. I like it that each unit will come with a closed kitchen, and also each home is coming with an employee quarters. These finishes over here are standard, and you'll get the chandeliers to make sure that your unit is looking beautiful and very, very cozy. The living room of this 4-bedroom unit is huge, and for the 5-bedroom it is slightly bigger, and for the 3-bedroom it is slightly smaller. This specific unit is at the middle of what you expect from this residency. From there, you can agree with me that this living room is huge. It has been done very well. As you can see, none of the seats are touching the wall. You have space to walk all around the unit, and the space is big enough to do a 9-seater couch. On this other side, you have the focal point. You can choose to have your unit as is, or if you prefer a bit of customizations, the developer can help you with that. For the people who do not know what to do with their walls, paintings and portraits are very important. But let's agree on one thing. Console tables are useless because no one uses them, but they are excellent in improving the beauty of your unit. From there, you can confirm that the ceilings have been done very well, and you get the chandelier as standard. For a 4-bedroom unit, this dining space is huge, and you have a door over there which is taking you to the closed kitchen. Let's see that. I like the quality of this kitchen. Everything has been done excellently. As you can see, it is coming with fixed appliances, which is wood. You have a 5-burner cooktop. You have an oven over there. And as you can see, the kitchen is coming with numerous upper and lower cabinetry. I like the white granite countertop, and I like how they are contrasting with this backsplash. On this other side, the kitchen will come with a double sink. A water purifier is standard in this development, and you also get an access of hot and cold water. One thing that is very important and most developers overlook it is getting a flow trap in the kitchen. This is very important, especially when you splash things over here. On this other side, you have a space for your side-by-side refrigerator. Excellent. You have a small pantry where you can keep your dry foods or maybe the other kitchen appliances that you're not using. You get these window blinds as standard, and as you can see, it is very easy to operate them. This other kitchen door is opening to the laundry area where you can do a washer and dryer like this one. You have 2 big sinks for you to wash your clothes, and you can do 2 or 3 clotheslines over here if you are lazy to go to the roof deck. As I mentioned earlier, each unit is coming with an employee quarters, and as you can see, you can easily do a 3.5 bed like this one. You have a small closet for your employee, and their bathroom is behind me. From the kitchen through the dining space, this unit is very airy, and you have a walkway over here which is taking you to the bedroom spaces. Here we have the common washroom. Next to it we have the first bedroom. The second bedroom is here. The third is on the opposite side, and on the far end you have the primary bedroom. We will see all that. What I want us to enjoy is the width of this walkway, and it is very nice because you can do some portraits to make it look better. All bedrooms are coming en suite. This is the smallest, and it is targeting your tiny children or your twins. I like these paintings, very beautiful. You have space over the center where your kids can put their gadgets before they sleep, and you have a closet on my right hand side which is big enough for 2 small children. These bathrooms are very spacious, coming with a WC at the center. You have a space where you can do your towels. This other side has been left for your vanity, and the shower cubicle is on my far front. From the entrance of the second bedroom, you can see the bathroom is here, and it is coming with all the standard fixtures that we have seen in all the other bedrooms. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it is targeting your boys. It has been done very well, and because it is facing the roadside, you get huge window, and it is giving you a ton of natural light. The ceiling heights have been done very well, and the space is big enough to do a 6x6 or a 5x6 bed. This bedroom is coming with floor to ceiling closets. You have some spaces over here where you can keep the hangable clothes, and because this is the boys' bedroom, you have some drawers over here where they can keep their t-shirts and their boxers. The bathroom to the third bedroom is here, and it comes with a vanity at the entrance. You have a WC at the center. A towel holder is very important, and you have a shower cubicle here which comes with tiles all up, and you have a handheld and a rain shower. This bedroom is targeting your daughter. That's why you can see there is a mix of colors, bright colors that are improving the feel of this unit. You still have some spaces over here and over there where you can do some side drawers for the lamps or your gadgets. For the people who have girls, you can confirm that this storage is not enough, but do not worry, they will cope up with it. If you are the buyer of this unit for 27.6 million Kenya shillings, you deserve the best. And the developer has not failed us. He has given you a huge primary bedroom which comes with a sleeping space which would fit a king size or a queen size bed. If that is not enough, he has given you some extra space on this side, another extra space on that side where you can have your side drawers. If you have noticed, the doors of each room are of very high quality. You have a sitting space over here where you can sit as you are wearing your shoes. You can also sit here as you read your book, or you can be having a good conversation with your partner. On my right hand side, the bedroom comes with a walk-in closet and the primary bathroom is on my far left. As you can see, the developer has given you a very beautiful center light. The headboard has been done excellently, and if that is not enough, the developer has given you a big, beautiful balcony. You can do a sitting setup on this space, and this is where you are supposed to enjoy your breakfast. And if you like a drink, you can always have that from here. As you can see, the views of these units are excellent. Show them. And from here, you'll be able to enjoy the quality that comes with living in Kilimani. The walk-in closet is not the biggest, though it comes with enough spaces for all your clothes and your partner's clothes. You have a dresser at the center and it is next to the window just to make sure that you're getting enough light as you're doing your makeup. You also have some storage over here where you can keep your jewelries. One concept that this developer has done, and I love it, is having the lights inside the closets. From the main entrance of the primary bathroom, you have a shower cubicle which is coming with a rain shower and a handheld. Next to it, you have a double vanity that comes with huge mirrors. Here at the center, you have your WC, and on this end, you have your bathtub. The developer has also given you a towel holder and a tissue holder. That's all for these units, and we have come to the end of the video. If you're interested in purchasing a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, or a 5-bedroom, you know what to do. Our number will be attached down here. My name is Mungai Kihara, and you just watched African Real Estate.